Hey, travelers, come join us as we tour Universal Orlando Lowe's Royal Pacific Hotel. This premier property offers the perks of Express Pass for all guests in the room. Express Pass is a priority entry status that enables you to skip to the front of the line, allowing you to optimize your time in the parks. Lowe's Royal Pacific has multiple forms of transportation to the parks. Our favorite was using the water taxi, which is just about a short 5-minute ride, or you may use their walking path, which will take about 10 minutes. On busy days, we recommend showing up early and taking the water taxi. This hotel is Pacific themed with warm greetings. As you can see, the frogs will greet you upon your entry. Don't forget to subscribe. Our new videos drop on Friday. We look forward to having you along.